Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together quickly. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type your registry editor. And from the search results, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S. Once we are here on this window, we need to simply expand the HK local machine, then expand system folder, then expand current control set folder, then expand services folder. Then here we need to find out the NLASVS folder. Just keep scrolling down. So here it is. So simply expand these, expand parameters and select internet. So on the right side we need to simply find out the enable active. Here it is, probing. Right click on it, select modify and change the value data as 0. Change the value data as 0. Click on OK, and once done, just go back to the main. We need to do something more to fix this issue. So just go back to the HK local machine. Again, expand HK local machine, then expand, this time expand software folder, then go to its policies, expand policies folder, then expand Microsoft folder in the policies folder, then expand Windows folder and select network connectivity stats indicator. On the right side, right click here, select new and create a new deboard value. So name it as NO active probe and hit enter. Then right click on it, select modify and change the value data as to 1 and click on OK. Once done, we need to restart the system. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.